Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add effects just to your overlays on CapCut. So select your picture and I'm just going to select copy, which is here. Then on the second clip, click it and then choose overlay, then drag it here. Oops. And then on this one, you're going to go to cutout, then select remove background. Go back and go to effects, video effects, and choose the effects you want to add just to your overlay. I think I'm going to choose the blue mosaic one. You can adjust the filter here if you want, and also the texture and the size. Press the checkmark button. And then on this one, so on the effect, you're going to select object and choose overlay. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!